Makes the fish.
Oh, they got out. Oh.
All right.
Well, good luck.
All right, boys, let's make our way this way.
That's something a little bigger. What do we got? I think we got a bluegill. Yeah, on a green grub. Yeah, I see you. Oh, there's a nice one. Yeah, I see you. Almost 7 inches. He'll swim right out. Okay. Boy, he hit that. He went after it. Look at him following him. Okay, come here, buddy. I'm amazed at how many of them are hitting my bite indicator. My strike indicator. But that's okay. I got this one. And then I'll get that tire. And then we'll head out. Those tires were a good 100, maybe even 150 yards upstream. I'm slowly and surely getting them back to the launch simply by taking my stuff about 100 feet past them, walking back, getting the tires, and then walking past the stuff 100 feet, just leapfrogging each time. The air temperature is 99 degrees when I got out of the car. The heat index is like 106, 107, somewhere in there. So I came to the launch here at Great Mills so I could try to catch a few fish and be knee deep in the water so I could stay cool. Met some kids. Unfortunately, I don't remember their names or their father's names, but I hope you had a good time. They said they saw a snakehead that was here. I heard them say that they caught an eel with their dip net and everything, so I hope that they really had a fun time. I'm sorry if I messed up your secret spot today. I caught some fish, and I got 2 more tires. Tires numbers 12 and 13 for the summer. Let's do what we can. Pick up trash when we see it. Hope you enjoyed this short one. Until next time, tight lines.